Hey friends, if the USB mass storage driver is not working or showing on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the USB mass storage device drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controller. You'll find drivers for USB root hub. Right click on each one of them and update them. You need to update all of them. Then right click on them and select properties. Go to the power management tab and there's a checkbox called allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck it, click on OK and save the settings. So the first two solutions have been covered, but usually I have noticed that the third solution is the one which helps users solve their problem. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, system, current control set, services, USB store. In the right pane, you'll notice a Diva 32-bit entry name start. Double click on it and change the value data to 3. Mine is 3 already, so I won't be able to change it. But you need to change it to 3. Click on OK to save the settings and restart your computer. Your problem will be solved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.